Hello, welcome back again, guys. Welcome to this tutorial. In the last lesson we talked about variables. Now here we want to talk about basic operators. So what we're going to do is that we're going to get straight right into it. Okay, so what this is a essentially these are the basic operators. These symbols you see here, this is the plus symbol, the minus symbol, meaning you minus them. This is the multiplication symbol, and this is the division symbol. This here is when you divide a result, it gives you the actual leftover, meaning the remainder. And this one here is the raised to power. It times it by 2. Let's say you want to do like an addition between 3 times 2. It raises the power to 3 and it times it 2 times and it makes it to 6. And this one, this is this one is increment and decrement. You multiply them by 1 and you minus them by 1. So let's begin. Let's say we want to plus these two. Let's say we've already declared the value as cookie in jar and baked cookie in cookies, and let's say it's 10 5. So what this basically represents, they have been declared. So we want to do 10 plus 5. So we console, like in the last lesson, we console.log. That means we console.log and we put in the value of the total cookies, meaning what we declared here, we put in the value of it and we run it. Okay. Sorry. Console.log 15. Yeah. So basically gave us because 10 plus 5 is 15. So let's say go here and we write let's see console.log remaining money, and look what's happening. Just like in here, we declared the value, just like in the last lesson we declared the value, and then we want to calculate the remaining money. So what we declared, wallet balance minus coffee price, meaning 50 minus 5. So let's see what it gives us. 45. So what it basically did here, it's plus both values declared. We gave it a let total cookies equals to cookies in jar plus baked cookies. So what we did is that we console.log the total cookies, which we have here in the editor, which is 15, and here we declared both wallet balance and coffee price, which we declared with a remaining money equals wallet balance minus coffee price, that is 15 minus 5, and we console.log the remaining money and it's reached to 45. So what else we're going to do again, we're going to do the same thing just to see what this value does, and after we do our own solo project. So what we're going to do right now is we do what we basically did here. This one to carts to total. So what does this does is that this sign here times both 20 times 3, so that should give us 60. So what we do here, yes, 60, that should give us 60, and the same for here. So what this one does is that it divides the value. This number 4 here is division. It divides the value. So what we're going to do here is slice persons. So this is division. When you see these signs, this is division, multiplication, minus, and plus. So we're going to divide 8 divided by 4, which I believe will give us 2. Yes. So we go into the other ones. So this basically does is that it gives you the leftover values. Let's say we want to divide 9 and 2, it gives us the remainder. This one gives us the actual what we divided, but this one gives us the leftover. So 2 can't divide 9 because it's mostly an odd number. So let's say leftover slices, which is 1. So it divided it and it gave us the remainder, meaning let's say you are dividing something, you are dividing 9 divided by 2. When we were in school and they said like you should leave what are the remainders, let's say it's 2.1, so it gives you 1. So let's say 9 divided by 2 divided by 9, it can't go in because their both values are not, their one is an odd number, one is an even number, so can't go in 9. So let's say for instance it's just like 4.1, so it just gives us the remainder, which is 1. This here, what we're doing here again, results. So just like if you cannot remember in school, there's this thing what we call raised to power. So what this basically does is that when we declare the base value and power value, base equals to 3, power equals to 2, let result equals. So we've declared the total result and want to times both value. So what do? We 3 times 2. So what it's going to do is that it's going to times it 2 times. 3 times 2, that's 3 times 3, 3 raised to the power of 2. So it's basically going to times the base value 2 times. So what it's going to give us should probably give us 9. Yes, give us 9. Okay, so let game lives equals to 3, let games equals to minus game lives. So what we do is that we console.log games, and what value does it give us? It gives us 2 because it minuses the value. Let's say we want to increase the value, gives us 4. So these are basically the basic arithmetic operations. Let's say for instance we decide to calculate more than one arithmetic operators. Let's say for instance let cookie be 40, and let's say we want to let book total equals 20. So let total book, let total storage equals okay jar, let's say times, like remember the time multiplication, which is a star, times bake cookies minus total cookies divided by book total. Raised to, let's just say we want to raise to the power of 2, and we console dot log total. So let's see, 49.9. So there it is, guys. This is what we've done. Basic arithmetic operators, like we did in the videos. We can do them for various things: minus, plus, multiplication, division, raised to the power of 2, to calculate your code, to sum up code, to even sum up a lot of things. You want to write your code I want to get back in the console log. We can do them all with basic operators. Thank you for your time with this video, and I'll see you in the next one.